Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
The graph lets you draw target pitches and edit note transitions precisely. Use the graph to see both timing and pitch data simultaneously. Select Scale, Key, and Scale Degree for automatic pitch snapping. Toggle chromatic mode to work without scale constraints when needed. Zoom horizontally and vertically to edit timing and pitch with precision. Use grid snapping to constrain edits to musical time divisions like 1/4 and 1/8. Label regions and colors to separate vocal parts for clearer visual editing. Draw note segments and drag them to change pitch and duration. Double-click a segment to split it and refine timing with micro-edits. Use pitch drift and vibrato controls to shape natural-sounding transitions. Click the transition handle to smooth or sharpen the glide between notes. Adjust transition curves to control portamento and timing between notes with numeric precision. Use nudge tools for 1 cent or 1 millisecond adjustments when needed. Lock segments to prevent accidental edits while you refine surrounding notes and timing. Use formant and throat modeling to preserve timbre while shifting pitch. Enable humanize functions to introduce subtle timing or pitch variation for realism. Combine graph edits with formant control and scale locks for realistic results. Export edited MIDI or create automation lanes for smoothing and consistency across phrases. Use batch processing to apply the same graph settings to many takes quickly and reliably. Reference the plugin meter while playing edits to confirm tuning and dynamic behavior. Save graph.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.